I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins with the closing market minute for Tuesday, August 26th. Soybeans did end an up and down day, modestly higher, supported by a higher move in soybean meal and some optimism over reports that a Chinese trade negotiator is expected to visit the United States later on this week to talk trade. That's a big deal because China has yet to buy outright any new crop U.S. soybeans, choosing instead to go with Brazil despite the U.S. price advantage because of tariff tensions between the U.S. and China. Corn closed modestly lower, continuing to focus on generally favorable late development weather in much of the Midwest and Plains. Corn does have a solid demand outlook, especially when compared to soybeans. Right now, the big issue is supply, and the question is how big is this crop going to be in the end? Wheat ended the session mixed. Chicago was up, Kansas City was down, both watching rainfall chances for U.S. winter wheat ahead of widespread planting. Those forecasts do favor the southern plains over the eastern Midwest, at least for now, and that's what pressured Kansas City while supporting Chicago. Minneapolis was mostly lower, watching the spring wheat harvest advance. Live and feeder cattle were higher, supported by the midday strength in box beef and optimism about this week's direct cash cattle business. They're going to be waiting at least one more day. Just a few asking prices are reported at $243 on the live basis. No bids have surfaced as of yet. And hogs closed higher with contracts at a big discount to the cash index. Cash trade was mixed during the session and pork was weak at midday, but has shown some signs of life lately in the wholesale market. With the closing market minute for Tuesday, August 26th, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins.